Good morning, baby. Good morning. What's wrong? What do you want to tell Mama? Oh, baby had short legs. Short legs. Long body. Baby a hot dog. Hey. What's los? What's Wilson then? What do you want to tell Mama? Huh? Can you say good morning? Good morning. I love you. Where's Papa? Da is Papa. Hey, say Papa, Papa, I love you. Oh yeah, and to Mama? You wanna say Mama, I love you too? Mama, I love you. Oh, such a good girl. A good girl. A pretty baby. Huh? Are you a pretty baby? Are you Mama's pretty baby? Are you Mama's pretty baby? Yeah? Hindi ka sumalay si Maki? Are you Mama's pretty baby? Yeah? Where's my niece pretty baby? Where's Mama's pretty baby? Huh? Oh yeah, you are Mama's pretty baby. And where is your best friend name's Lammy? Where's Lammy? Where's Lammy? Yeah, Lammy moved out long time ago. I know you miss Lammy. Yeah, did you miss Lammy? Yeah, that's your best friend? And his name is Lammy? Yeah. Where's Lammy? Oh. Yeah. Okay, you wanna go to sleep? Huh? You wanna go to napping? Mama will go for a run. But you're not coming. You stay with Papa, okay? Mama wanna go for a run. Yeah. Mama wanna try out Mama's new marathon shoes for upcoming Mama's event, London Marathon. And Mama wanna try. Look at this. Yeah. You wanna smell Mama's shoes? Yeah. And Mama's hoping that Mama will get a new PR for this fantastic Adidas Pro. In my dreams, yeah. You wanna help Mama? Yeah, we're gonna go for a run?
Nein.
No.
Nein, Mama hat gar nichts sowas gesagt. Gar nichts hat sie gesagt.
Oh, Papa. Baby, you just had Papa already gave you some ente. That's enough. No more, okay? She wanna smell it. Smell. Oh. What was that? Huh? Everyone has allergy, huh? Yeah. Oh. You have allergy too? Yeah. Baby allergy too? Yeah. Okay. What? Papa already gave you some treats. Oh, that's enough. No more treats for baby. See, body check. Are you starving? You had already breakfast. Papa already give you. Mama needs to buy a new anthem. Mama need to buy new treats. It's already all gone. It's empty. You don't believe? Okay, Mama show you. Okay, come. Show Mama. Show Mama. Which one you want? Which should... Okay. Okay, let's see. You want to see? It's empty. Your treats is empty. See? That's it. So this is her favorite treats. For all the treats that her tummy will not react. Look, it's already empty. It's empty. see. Okay, I like. Okay, and then Mama will buy later. Okay, Mama after run. Okay, only one. Okay. So she's waiting for the command. Okay, baby, go. Good girl. Good girl.